Hey everyone, I'm Tony Reed, Director of Culinary at Spiceology. Today, we're gonna butter poach some lobster tail. Why do we butter poach lobster, you ask? It creates a velvety texture, intensifying flavor profiles while keeping it tender and moist. Pay a lot for this, you better cook it right. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take a couple tablespoons of water, put it into your pot here. Today, we're gonna do the butter poaching at 180 degrees, low, medium to medium, like an electric range or a medium low flame. So we've got 8 ounces of our Smoky Honey Habanero compound butter. Place about a tablespoon of the compound butter into this pot at a time. When you're melting your butter, make sure it doesn't even get to a simmer. It'll actually separate the butter. Right when you start to see bubbles, just slowly bring that temperature down just to get it to about 180. So next what we're gonna do is break down our lobster. Use your culinary shears, crack it open, place that right into the butter, and we'll let it poach for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. How do I know when my lobster's done? If you have a thermometer, at 139 degrees is the perfect temperature to remove the lobster from the poaching liquid. If your lobster is white in color, that generally means that it's finished, kind of like a shrimp. Here is your finished lobster tail. You can see that this is very white in color. It's starting to tighten a little bit and curl, but it's still movable, right? It's still pliable. Butter poaching, the perfect way to cook a lobster.